Yet, you've probably heard of two-factor authentication, but which app should you use? Let's look at some free authenticator apps, perfect for beginners. First, what do these apps actually do? They create short, secure codes you use when logging into your accounts. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't log in without that code. And unlike text messages, these codes aren't sent over the internet. They're created right on your phone. Let's go over some great free options. Number 1, Google Authenticator. It's simple, free, and works on nearly every website. You can even back up your codes with your Google account. Number 2, Microsoft Authenticator. A solid option if you use Windows, Outlook, or Office. It includes app lock, backup, and a clean interface. Number 3, Authy. This one's awesome for people with multiple devices. It stores backups securely and syncs between your phone and computer. Number 4, Bitwarden. If you already use Bitwarden as a password manager, it has a built-in authenticator. It's open source and completely free. How do you set one up? Install your chosen app from the Play Store or App Store. Go to your account security settings. Select Use an Authenticator app. Scan the QR code, enter the code shown, and you're done. A few quick tips before we go. Save your backup codes somewhere safe. Never share verification codes with anyone. And enable two-factor authentication on your most important accounts first, like email and banking. That's it. Pick one of these apps, turn on two-factor authentication, and you'll instantly be more secure online. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips every week.